Convey the steel plate to leveling and cleaning machine for removal of stain, texture and impurities on the surface. Thus, to improve the plating performance of the steel plate. Clean the steel plate again in 2-in-1 machine, cleaning and drying. The drying temperature is 80 to 120 degrees centigrade. The steel plate should be dried completely, without any water stain on the surface. Paint the front and back sides of the steel plate with photosensitive ink with roller printer. The voltage of the electric oven should be kept in 380 voltages. The roasting temperature for the steel plate is 90 to 100 degrees centigrade, and the roasting time is 15 to 20 minutes. Extract the air between the top frame and the photosensitive glass, and form a vacuum space. Closely attach the film with the steel plate and start sensitization. The black part of the film which doesn't expose in strong light will have chemical reaction with sodium carbonate solution, and the photosensitive ink of that part will peel off. The transparent part of the film, which exposed in strong light, will not have chemical reaction with sodium carbonate solution. Put sensitized steel plate on developing machine, whose feeding speed is 5 meters per minute. Under the effect of sodium carbonate solution, the photosensitive ink without photopolymerization will be washed off by the solution. Thus, the logos will be displayed. With soft brush. 20-second electrolysis will be carried out to remove the oil stains on the surface of the steel plate. Wash the steel plate in 4 clean water tanks in succession, thus to guarantee the cleanness of the steel plate. Put the clean steel plates into plating tank for 4 hours. Turn on the rectifier. The voltage should be 4.5 voltages plus minus 0.5. Put the clean and dry product on the nut plate and paint it with precision spray gun according to the color requirement of the customer. Roast the painted product in temperature of 150 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes. After roasting, take out the steel plate and evenly cover its front side with a special rubber protective film, which is very sticky, so as to make sure the product won't shift and it can be taken out completely. Cover the backside with 6C film, which is very sticky and more thicker, and consequently more harder, in order to have convenient process later. Bend and twist the steel plate for several times to have the product loose or drop from the steel plate, and then take out the products from the steel plate by peeling off the protective film, which is very sticky. The frame added during plating is for ensuring even thickness and size of the product. After plating, take off the protective frame for applying glue later. Apply glue according to the requirement of the customer. The nut plate for applying glue should be in accordance with the product model. After applying glue, dry the glue in the air. Put the product on the workbench with the front side facing down. Peel off release paper and evenly apply protective film on the back side. Use sticky film to remove photosensitive glue and other impurities on the surface of the product. Repeat above operation for 4 times to clean the product to the maximum extent possible. Use specific protective film to cover the front side of the product and guarantee the cleanness of the product. In the first round of quality check, peel off the front protective film and check if there is stain or other defect. If there is disqualified product, use a red pen to mark it. After check, cover the front side of the product with protective film to guarantee the cleanness of the product. Peel off back film and put the product on release paper. Split into strips for easy cutting later. Cutting the product according to the requirement of the customer. The template will be cut into individual products. In the second round of quality check, further check whether there is disqualified product. Packing according to the requirement of the customer. The number of product packed in each carton will be the same.